Thank you. Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangmaji, Honorable IT Minister of Meghalaya, Shri M.S. Rao, Dr. J. Satyanarayana ji, Shri Ajay Sahni ji, officers of MITI, officers of Meghalaya, and distinguished guests. It's a great privilege to start and dedicate the enterprise architecture of Meghalaya, which is going to make a big difference in the governance. We are calling it Megha EA. It's a very nice name. It's a great privilege to dedicate this to the nation on the day of our Prime Minister's birthday. So thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, for taking this initiative, making this happen. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. Conrad Sangma, is a very dynamic Chief Minister. Whenever he comes to Delhi, the insistence and the ideas that he comes up with, it's a real phenomenon. What I wanted to share is that both of us went to the same school, Wharton School. So, UPenn. So, so it's a very nice thing to have dynamic young chief ministers who care about governance, who care about delivery of services to people, who care about realizing Prime Minister's vision of Digital India. Prime Minister's vision of Digital India is a very all-encompassing vision in which the focus of the entire program is the common man, the common person in a country, the common citizen. How we can make a qualitative difference in people's lives, that's the question that Prime Minister always asks whenever we take any program to him, whenever we take any project to him. And that's the focus that we are all trying to build, making sure that we make a qualitative difference in people's lives through governance, through our programs, through the projects, through the investments that we are making, through all the process engineering that we are doing. Very happy to share that recently the telecom reforms that we have done will have a very good impact on northeastern states, especially in Meghalaya, what my good friend Mr. Sangma last time we discussed. The sector has to become robust and healthy to be able to reach out to places like Meghalaya, which really need much better connectivity, which really needs much better IT services. So with your leadership out there, we will be able to achieve the vision of Digital India, and this software, or the enterprise architecture that we are launching today will only be the first step. I hope very soon all other departments will also be included in it. From our side, from the ministry, we are there to fully support you in all your initiatives. Whatever help you need, whatever support you need from NIC, from NEGD, from other branches of the government, we are always there with you, standing by you to make sure that the people of Meghalaya get the best of the services. Thank you very much.